90 ways to say I love you in English. Speak naturally and confidently. You always say I love you over and over again. Hold on there. What if I could say it in 90 different ways and sound more natural, expressive, and confident? In this video, I'll talk you through simple, powerful phrases you can start using immediately. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to 1. Express love in different ways. 2. Sound more natural in English. 3. Choose the right phrase for the right situation and occasion. You and I will learn these in 4 groups. 1. Simple and everyday love. 2. Deep and emotional love. 3. Romantic and passionate love. And 4. Fun and playful love. Now let's begin. Group 1. Simple and everyday love. These are easy and safe to use every day. Repeat them after me one by one. I care for you deeply. I appreciate you. I respect you. I hold you dear. I'm fond of you. You are special to me. You mean a lot to me. I miss you so much. You are my dear. You are wonderful to me. I bet these sound natural in daily conversation. Yes, they do. Group 2, deep and emotional love. Now, showing stronger feelings. These phrases show stronger feelings. Repeat after me. I cherish you. I'm thankful for you. You're my happiness. You're my world. You're my everything. I live for you. I love. I'm devoted to you. I'm yours. We complete each other. You complete me. Use this when your feelings are serious and deep. Group 3, romantic and passionate. Now let's turn up and cook up the emotion. Repeat after me. I'm in love with you. I'm crazy about you. I'm mad about you. I'm falling for you. I'm addicted to you. I'm enchanted by you. I'm enamored with you. I want you. You turn me on. You drive me wild. These are strong. Use them carefully. Group 4, the fun and playful love. Now some light, playful expressions. Repeat after me. I've got a crush on you. You rock my world. You had me from hello. You are just my star. You're my soft spot. You took my heart. You're 1 in a million. You're charming. You are perfect. You are the best. These are great for casual and friendly situations, not expressing anything deep. Practice. Now let's practice together. Say this. You are special to me. I appreciate you. I'm in love with you. You are my world. You are amazing. You rock my world. Speak out loud, not in your head. I mean, speak out loud, not in your head and not in your mind. Real life use. Where can you use these phrases? Where can you use these phrases? 1, in text messages. 2, in conversations. 3, relationships. 4, in social media captions. Using different expressions makes your English sound natural and more expressive. Common mistakes. Don't do the following. Using very strong phrases too early. 2, repeating only "I love you" over and over again. 3, not matching tone with situation. 4, choose the right phrases for the right moment. In summary, remember, simple, deep, romantic, and playful. These are the 4 parts. That is how you express love naturally in English. Your challenge, your task. Write 3 different ways to say "I love you" in the comments down below. So together we can improve them one by one. If this helped you, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more practical English lessons.